Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make money online in 2025 using Whop's affiliate marketing program, drive traffic with Pinterest pins, and create content on Medium or Reddit. If you've been looking for a way to earn passive income, this is it. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to combine these tools to build a profitable online business. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about Whop. Whop is a platform that allows you to sell digital products, courses, and even access to online communities. But what makes it stand out is its affiliate program. Here's how it works. You can earn up to 30% recurring commissions just by referring creators to the platform. If you promote digital products, you can earn up to 20% commissions on every sale. And the best part, there are no upfront costs. Whop only takes a 3% cut when you make a sale. Why is Whop perfect for 2025? The demand for digital products is growing fast. Whop's automation tools make it easy to manage sales and affiliate links. And it's beginner-friendly, so you don't need any technical skills to get started. So, if you're looking for a platform to build a sustainable income stream, Whop is definitely worth checking out. Now, let's talk about Pinterest. Pinterest isn't just for recipes and DIY projects, it's a powerful traffic source for affiliate marketing. Here's how you can use Pinterest to promote Whop products. Create eye-catching pins using tools like Canva. Use keywords like affiliate marketing, make money online, or digital products in your pin titles and descriptions. And link your pins to a Medium blog post or Reddit thread where you talk about Whop and include your affiliate link. Here's a quick action plan. Create 10 to 15 pins per week. Join group boards to increase your reach and track your performance with Pinterest Analytics. Pinterest traffic is long-lasting, so once your pins start ranking, they'll drive consistent traffic to your links. Next, let's talk about content creation. Platforms like Medium and Reddit are perfect for driving targeted traffic to your Whop affiliate links. Medium is a blogging platform that ranks well on Google. Here's how to use it. Write detailed posts like how I made $1,000 in 30 days with Whop. Include your Whop affiliate link naturally within the content. And use Medium's built-in audience to gain visibility. Reddit is all about community engagement. Here's how to use it. Join subreddits like RA Affiliate Marketing or RA Online Business. Share valuable insights and link to your Medium blog posts. And engage with the community by answering questions and providing value. Pro tips: focus on quality over quantity. Use storytelling to make your content relatable. And always include a strong call to action, like sign up for Whop using my link below. Now let's put it all together. Here's how these strategies work in harmony. Pinterest drives visual traffic to your Medium blog or Reddit posts. Medium and Reddit provide in-depth content that converts visitors into buyers. And Whop handles the monetization through affiliate commissions or product sales. Here's your action plan for 2025. Sign up for Whop and join the affiliate program. Create 10 to 15 Pinterest pins per week. Write 2 to 3 blog posts on Medium or Reddit every month. And promote your content across all platforms consistently. By following this plan, you'll build a sustainable income stream that grows over time. All right, that's it. You now have a complete blueprint for making money with Whop affiliate marketing in 2025, driving traffic with Pinterest pins, and creating content on Medium or Reddit. If you're ready to get started, sign up for Whop using the link in the description. And don't forget to follow me on Pinterest, Medium, and Reddit for more tips and strategies. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.